Who remembers Dunkaroos? I grew up eating Dunkaroos in elementary school, and for some reason in the middle of my life they just kind of went bankrupt. I didn't hear about them, I haven't seen them in so long, and then I was walking through Walmart and I saw this on the shelf. But just out of nostalgia, let's remind ourselves what this tastes like. I remember the packet being dark blue, so they did update their branding. I never honestly got the vanilla one. I always ate the chocolate one, but it's basically a biscuit and vanilla frosting. I don't think there's anything else in this. Okay, let's eat the chocolate one. It doesn't hit the same. I don't know, something about this is different than what I grew up eating. I don't know if it's the biscuits or if it's the chocolate frosting, but it's not the same. I don't know, maybe that's why they went bankrupt. They changed their recipe and then no one liked it anymore. I don't know what happened. It's okay, it's good, but it's not bringing me back. If I had to rate these Dunkaroos, honestly, the vanilla one is not my favorite. It's okay, I would give that maybe a 6.9 out of 10. And the chocolate ones, I would give a 7.8 out of 10. My go-to snack is still gonna be Yun Yun sticks. Those haven't changed in years. I grew up eating those as well, but Dunkaroos, I don't know what happened to you guys.